Why using lemongrass essential oil benefits you. Benefits. It has antibacterial properties. It has antifungal properties. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It has antioxidant properties. It may help prevent gastric ulcers or relieve nausea. It may help ease diarrhea. It may help reduce cholesterol. It may help regulate blood sugar and lipids. It may act as a pain reliever. It may help relieve stress and anxiety. It may help relieve headaches and migraines. Now foods, essential oils, lemongrass review. Description: 100% pure. Cymbopogon Flexuosus. Purity tested, quality assured. Suggested use: spring cleaning blend, add 10 drops of lemongrass oil, 5 drops of lemon oil and 1 drop of eucalyptus oil to a diffuser and enjoy. For aromatherapy use. For all other uses, carefully dilute with a carrier oil such as jojoba, grapeseed, olive, or almond oil prior to use. Please consult an essential oil book or other professional reference source for suggested dilution ratios. Other ingredients: 100% pure lemongrass oil. Warnings: natural essential oils are highly concentrated and should be used with care. Caution: keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes. If pregnant or lactating, consult your healthcare practitioner before using. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.